So guys, it's your boy Zubi King here. So this is a very sharp update that I'm gonna post now regarding the data. So this is a very sharp update that just found out, and this update is strictly for Binance users that have verified their account. So what are you gonna do? Just scroll here. You will see this update about 500 BUSD. So click on it. It's gonna take you to where you're gonna get the 500 BUSD from Binance. It's a trial fund voucher actually. That means you cannot withdraw that particular 500 BUSD, but don't worry, I'm going to tell you what you have to do with it. But first of all, if you enter this place, as you can see, the activity is going to end in 9 days, 8 hours, 52 minutes and 20 seconds. The time is ticking. So first thing you have to do is to click on this place that says join promotion. Especially is instantly it's going to give you this registration, that gonna tell you that the registration is successful. So next thing you have to do is after you have joined the trial fund, they say that the trial fund is gonna arrive in 2 days time. So let me just tell you guys what is gonna happen, because I might not have the time to show you guys how to join it, and maybe the time have passed. So if you're done with it, just go back to your reward center. You will see the thing in the 500 BUSD in your reward center. Then you see it here. This is the particular reward center that you're gonna see it. As you can see, I've redeemed this one. Why this one? I redeemed this two also. This one expired. This 500 BUSD also, just like this one that expired. So as I missed this one before, I don't want any other person to miss it. Don't worry. After receiving your odds within these 9 days, the 500 voucher is gonna reflect here, which you're gonna redeem it and use it for what they call it. You are gonna use it to save. You're gonna use it to subscribe to flexible saving. See it here. You're gonna use it to subscribe to flexible saving using the trial fund. So you're gonna subscribe to flexible saving using the trial fund voucher and earn reward for the next 7 days. So that means whenever you watch this video within these 9 days, if you are lucky to watch it within these 9 days, 8 hours, 50 something minutes, your trial fund is gonna arrive 2 days later. So what are you gonna use this trial fund do? Just like I said, use it to subscribe to service, to this thing, what they call it. Use it to subscribe to flexible service. So they want you to it's like kind of test running. So it's like they lend us 500 BUSD to save and stake it. So the gain that we are gonna get from it is what we are gonna use. So if you watch this video within 9 days or more, go and join it immediately. Subscribe it. After 2 days, they're gonna reward you with 500 BUSD, and after the reward. So the next day, I got a notification from Binance that I should go, and that the 500 BUSD have arrived on my reward center. So let me go and redeem it. I've not done this before, so I might make a mistake on this video. So you guys should know that this video is not professional. So just bear it in mind that I've not done it before. So as you can see now, the 7 days trial fund have landed on my reward center. So let me click on this place that says redeem. Let me know where it will take me, and this is it now. Say that as we log in, the thing is still loading. So let's give it a little time. My network is kind of done, and now we have done. As you can see, I've not done this before. This is it. I've not done it before. See it here. I've not done it before. No, there's nothing here. So let's look for BUSD. Or should I just search for it here? BUSD. So let's search for BUSD, and then click on search. Let me know what it will bring us. So I think this is the one that we are about to subscribe to. So let's click on subscribe, and let me know what it's gonna do. Use service trial fund. So let's click on use service trials fund. Now as you can see, this is the service trials fund, 500 BUSD in our wallet. So this is what I'm gonna do. Click on I have agreed to the terms and conditions, and click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, it's gonna tell you that subscription is successful. So let's see what is gonna happen within 7 days time. Just do it like this and your own will get successful.